And then he says that the Son doesn't know the hour, or the angels, nor no man.
Okay.
He's not saying that he himself is ignorant of the day,
Okay.
but he's saying that it's not for him to make known to them. It's not for him to declare. There's an example of this.
Okay.
Acts chapter 1.
I got you. Acts 1, chapter 1. Go ahead.
All right. So let's see here. Around verse 7, he said to them, oh, okay. So verse...
You're slipping. It's your book, bro. Come on.
Verse 5 at the beginning.
Oh, Avery's slipping.
So Acts chapter 1.
Okay.
Starting at verse 6.
Well, 5 or 6?
That's 6.
Okay.
So it says, therefore, when they had come together, they asked him, saying, Lord, will you at this time restore the kingdom to Israel?
Okay.
Verse 7. And he said to them, it is not for you to know
Okay.
the times or the seasons which the Father has put in his own authority.
Okay. The Father.
Notice how he doesn't say it's not for us to know.
But he
or
doesn't say, I know.